Morning everybody, 8:57, 14 seconds on February 19th. This is the drawing for the Secret Wars 8, graded 9.2, and the Spider-Man 252. Winner gets both. Over here are the 20 filled spots. Alright, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. I'm going to randomize 12 times, name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. I'm going to try to get them out actually in today's mail. Worst case, they ship out tomorrow, Wednesday the 20th. Best of luck to everybody. And again, I have to say I'm sorry I had to shut this down. Like, I put it up last night, and within about 5 minutes I had to run out, so there was no way I was going to be able to monitor it. So I pulled it down and I said I was going to put it up first thing this morning, which I did. So thank you for everybody's patience. Again, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 18, Nam win. Congratulations. Time is 8:58 and 20 seconds.